Peach cobbler. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Choose some of that delicious peach cobbler. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. With some vanilla ice cream. Oh my goodness, guys. I'm telling you. Stick of butter melted. Get you a bow, my gorgeous, gorgeous bow. 1 cup of flour. 1 cup of milk. 1 cup of sugar. Got a good old mix. Get you a big can of peaches and heavy syrup. This is a 29 ounce. I'm going to drain. You do not have to, but I do. Pour it over the butter. Do not mix at all. Get your can of peaches. I like to place mine in there so it can look all good and pretty. I go around the edges. We're going to preheat our oven to 350. Bake until gold and bubbly. Chicken gravy. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Get you some bacon, like a half a pack of bacon. We are going to fry some up in a cast iron skillet or any kind of skillet you have. When your bacon gets done, we're going to remove all of your bacon. You're not going to be able to remove all of it, but get you 2 tablespoons of butter, add it in. Start off with 4 hefty tablespoons of flour. All purpose, it doesn't matter, just flour. Give that a good mix. We're going to cook the flour. This is what you want it to look like. I know, you got to watch the process though. Get you some milk and we're going to gradually pour. Then we're just going to keep on mixing. Give it a good mix. Get you some pepper. However much you want to taste. We like a lot. Chocolate gravy. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. This is the easiest way I can possibly show you how to do this. Get you a shifter of some kind of sort, whatever. We need 1 cup of sugar. 1/4 cup of cocoa powder. 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm using all purpose. Medium-high heat. 2 cups of milk. You're going to combine it. Keep stirring. Keep on stirring till it thickens up. It should come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, stir, 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 stir. It is done. We are going to turn off the heat. 1 tablespoon of butter. And a couple drops of vanilla flavoring. Then we're going to give it a good mix. And once it cools down, it will thicken up more. So we're going to let it cool down some. Butterfinger dip. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. This is all you will need for this recipe. An 8-ounce tub of Cool Whip, 2 cream cheeses, Philadelphia all the way, some Butterfinger bites. If you cannot find this, just use about 5 Butterfingers crushed up and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. You can tell I mix dark, light, and medium dark brown sugar. 2 blocks of cream cheese. Oh my gorgeous, gorgeous Bo. You thought I forgot. I did. 1 tub of Cool Whip. Mixed up, get your 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And we're going to fold it in. I'm going to dump half of the bag. Leave the other half. You're going to give it a good mix. To a serving dish. Some vanilla wafers. Enjoy. So good, y'all. Tomato pie. Let me show you how to make it the Tasha's way. Delish. Get you 2 cups of cheese. I'm using mozzarella and sharp cheddar. Whew. I chopped up half of an onion. Get you 4 garden maters. You need 4. Some salt, pepper to taste, basil. We're going to chop it up. About 6-7 leaves. Oregano. All I do is take the leaves off like that. 3/4 of a cup of some mayonnaise. Get you 1/2 teaspoon of some garlic. Pie crust, it's still frozen. Get you a little bit of your cheese mixture. Put it down and spread. Get your tomatoes and start piling them around. Mozzarella and sharp cheddar. I'm just going to give it a good mix to mix it around. And I'm going to put it on the top. Preheat your oven to 350. We are going to bake until our pie crust is done and our cheese is good and melted and crispy.